Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're going to be doing another really quick no-bake recipe, and we're going to be making some no-bake strawberry cheesecake shooters. I have my beautiful little helper Hope, and we're going to go ahead and get started and let's see how these turn out. So first step we want to do is we've taken 30 Nilla vanilla wafers. I, however, did not use the Nilla brand. I got these organic vanilla wafers at Trader Joe's. But any vanilla wafer is going to do the job. So we've got 30 of those in a bag, and Hope is going to take the rolling pin and just kind of crush those up without crushing the counter. While Hope is doing that, I'm going to go ahead and take 5 tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to go ahead and melt this down in the microwave. Okay, so the next step, we're going to take our crushed vanilla wafers and put those into a bowl. And add 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then we're going to pour our melted butter over all that. Go ahead and stir that.
Like this?
Yep.
The wafers. Ooh, I have to hold the bowl now. Hold it like this now.
Next step,
Cups.
we're going to go and take our cups.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh,
Okay.
that's 6.
And we're going to go ahead and put a scoop into each one. Okay.
Good. It's good. But with butter in it.
Now we're going to go ahead and get a spoon. We're just going to pack that down into the bottom of the cups. Now we've got our crusts into the bottom of the cups. We're going to go ahead and put these into the refrigerator while we're making the cream cheese filling part. Next step, we're going to take our softened cream cheese, and I forgot to soften this before I started this, so I actually did a short video on a hack that you can do to soften your butter or cream cheese in a very short amount of time. So go ahead and put the cream cheese in the bowl.
Everything?
All of it. Good job. So 1 tablespoon. Here, let me do this part because we only want a little bit. We're going to take 1 tablespoon of this. Now we're going to take our hand mixer and blend that together. Ready?
It got on me, but I ripped it off.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put our whipped cream cheese mixture to the side for right now. We're going to get a fresh bowl, and Hope is going to pour 8 ounces of heavy whipping cream into the bowl. Yep. And 2 tablespoons of sugar.
So all
Yep. And then she's going to go ahead and blend this up and whip it up.
The whisks.
Next thing we want to do is we're going to take 8 ounces of strawberries, and we're going to puree those.
Puree.
Worm puree.
I want to push the buttons. Beep, bop, beep, bop, beep, bop, beep.
Now we're going to go ahead and take our whipped cream cheese, and we're going to fold in, don't stir, just fold in the heavy whipping cream.
I like these. It got my forehead.
Okay, like I said, we're just folding this in. You do not want to stir it. Okay, now we're going to take our
Strawberry
puree.
Don't fold it in. One. Okay.
And we're going to fold those into it also.
Is it bad?
Okay, so we've chilled the crust. We've got our cream cheese filling mixture. We've sliced up some more strawberries. And now what we're going to do is I'm going to put some of the cream cheese filling in. Hope is going to then layer some strawberries, and we'll probably do another layer after that.
Okay. Look at this screen.
That's okay.
Last one
Now all you're going to do
is put one
is
in.
put a couple strawberries to fill it over.
So nobody could see. So it's going to be a surprise.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to put one over the other two stars.
Not too many. Now we'll go ahead and put just a little bit more over that.
Last one, I'm going to eat one of these strawberries. And do you want to have a strawberry? Okay. Good.
Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put these into the refrigerator for probably about 2 hours so they fully set, and then we'll finish them off with some whipped cream, a vanilla cookie or a vanilla wafer cookie, and a strawberry slice. Okay, so we've let our cheesecake sit in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. It's set, and now we're ready to go ahead and finish it off and sample it. I'm only going to do one right now because we'll actually eat the other ones probably for dessert later tonight. So for the purpose of the video, we'll just finish one. So we're just going to get whipped cream. A strawberry wedge. And a vanilla wafer. And we're done. So there's the finished product. No-bake strawberry cheesecake shooters. It was super simple to make, and we're going to go ahead and enjoy this now. So like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video.
Subscribe! Subscribe!